Hi, welcome to this video on how to add Favicon in Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger accounts. Simply head over to hostinger.com, enter your credentials and log in. You'll be taken to Hostinger dashboard. Once you're logged in, click on the website tab in the main menu. Here you'll see a list of all the websites you're hosting. Find the website you want to add the Favicon to and click the Manage button next to it. This will take you to your site's control panel. Now find the File Manager option. Click on File Manager to access all the files for your website. This is where we'll upload your Favicon. In the File Manager, navigate to the public_temp folder, which contains all the files for your website. This is where we'll place the Favicon. If you already have a Favicon image file, make sure it's in either .eco.png or .jpeg format. Click the Upload button, select your Favicon file, and upload it to the public_temp folder. For best results, name the file favicon.ico. Now we need to link the Favicon to your website. If you're using WordPress, go to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to Appearance and then Editor and open the header.fib file. In the header.fib file, find the head section. Add the following line of code within the head. Replace your domain.com with your actual domain name. This code tells the browser where to find your Favicon. After adding the code, save your changes. Now visit your website in a new browser tab. You should see your Favicon in the browser tab right next to your website's title. And that's how to add Favicon in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.